Apart from vowels, we are having the consonants. Okay, we are having the consonants. We call it as vyanjan. Okay, in Hindi we call it as vyanjan. Okay, vyanjan means consonants. Okay, without consonant we cannot write any words. Okay, without consonants we cannot write any words, sentence, etc. Okay, for that we need vyanjans and swar. Swar and vyanjans mingle only, we can make a sentence, we can make a word, we can make a paragraph. Okay, for that we have to learn a vyanjans. Okay, vyanjan, vyanjan, that is consonants, that is consonants. Okay, that is consonants. Here we are having basically we call it as ka. We are having 4 kas. Okay, 4 kas but with different pronunciation. Okay, but with different pronunciation and different types of writing and different types of ending also. Okay, different pronunciation. Okay, we can see the letters. Now this is ka, ka. K pronunciation we have to give, that is ka. Okay, we have to pronounce this ka. Okay, for that word we can see kamal. Okay, kamal, kalam. Okay, kamal, kalam. For that we have to use this ka only. Okay, for that we have to use this ka only. The next one is kha, ka. Okay, next one is kha, ka. Ka, ka. Okay, the next one is ka. Okay, this is for kargosh. Okay, kargosh, kadi, kana, many words in this. Okay, ka. The next one is ga, ga. Ga, ga. This is for, we can write it as like this. Okay, ga, gamala, Sriya, gana. Okay, ga. Okay, gamala, gana. Okay, the next ga is gha, ga. Gha, ga. We have to write like this. Replace the 3 in the reverse direction. Okay, 3 in the reverse direction and put a mark. This is ga. Okay, this is ga. This is used for gar. Okay, gar. For that we have to use this ga only. Okay, the next one is nya, nya. For this simply put s and put a dot. Sariya, put a dot. Okay, here we call it as bindu. Okay, we call it as bindu. In Hindi we are having 2 types. One is, this is called bindu, this one is called chandra bindu. Okay, we have, these are all the basics we have to know. These are all the basics we have to know. This is called bindu, this is called chandra bindu. Okay, the first line is ka, kha, ga, ga, nya. The first line. Okay, the first line is ka, kha, ga, ga, nya. Okay, va. Next letter is cha, cha. Cha, 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 cha. Okay, cha, cha. Char, char. Okay, va, char. Next one is chha. Next one is chha. This is, see, here we are having one circle and join the letters. Okay, cha. This is for chhatri, chhatri. Okay, what do you mean by chhatri? Chhatri is an umbrella. Okay, umbrella. Chhatri, cha. Okay, cha. Next one is ja, ja. U type. Okay, ja. This is for jug, janvar. Okay, jug, janvar, ja. Next one is jha, ja. We have to write like this, ja. Okay, janda. Sriya, janda. Janda means flag. Okay, janda. Here, the next one is nya. We have to reversely write C. Okay, we have to reversely write C, nya. Okay, nya. Okay, cha cha, ja ja, nya. Okay, cha cha, ja ja, nya. The first one is k k g g, nya. The second one is cha cha, ja ja, nya. Okay, easily learn that. Next one is ta lines. Ta lines means ta, ta. Ta, ta. Simply see. Simply see. Ta. That is tomato. Okay, wow, tomato. For this we have to use this ta. The next one is ta. Sariya. Zero to. Zero ta. We call it as zero ta. Okay, o ta. This is ta. Tahar jao, taharna. The next one is da. The next one is da. This is like this. Okay, esta. Esta. Okay. Next one is da. For that, see, we have to put a round like this. Same is as first and the fourth one is same one. The simple difference is we have to make a circle here. We have to make a circle here. This is the difference from these two tasks. Okay, wow. This is for daddy. Daddy. For that we have to use da. Here that is na. Na. Okay, na. Now for that na. Here ta ta, da da, na. Okay, ta ta, da da, na. The next letter is ta. The next letter is ta. For that we have to make and we have to write like this. Ta, ta, ta ta. Okay, da da, tara. The next is thha, ta. The thha, ta. Sariya. Da. The next one is dha, da. Dadi. Okay, this is daddy. This one is daddy, but this is da. Dadi, dada. Okay, ta. Ta pronunciation. The next one is dha, da. Dha, da. Okay, da. The next letter is na. The next letter is na. For that simply like this. Okay, na. Tha tha, da da, na. Okay, tha tha, da da, na. The next letter is pa. For that pa. See, pa. The next one is pha, pa. We can use this at papa, babu. For that. Here pa. Pa is like that. Here only. Fal. Fal, fool. Okay, fal, fool. That's all. For this we can use this fa. The next one is ba. Ba. Simply we can write as d and put a dash here. And put a dash here. This is called ba. The next one is ba. Ba. Okay, Bharat. Okay, Bharat, Bharatiya. For that we have to use this ba. The next letter is ma. Ma. Okay, ma. Here we have to, we do not fill this gap. We have to give gap like this. For this letter and the another one. Here, this letter. We cannot, we do not fold these lines. We have to give a gap like this. Here, see. I have given a gap, you see. Okay. Okay. These are the basic letters. These are the basic letters in Vyanjans. Let us spell this. Okay. K, k, g, g, nya, cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Okay. Next one is ta, ta, da, da, na. The another one is ta lines, tha, tha, da, da, na. The next one is pa lines. Pa lines means we are having 4 fas. Pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. Okay, is it clear? Next we can see last 3 lines in Vyanjans. Okay, we can see last 3 lines in Vyanjans. For that we are having the letters ya, 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 ra, la, va. Okay, ya, ra, la, va. Is it clear, girls? Is it clear? Ya, ra, la, va. Okay, the next letter is we are having sa lines. Sha, S-A, sha, sha. That is S-H-A, sa, si, sha. This is sha. Okay, shadak. This one is sa, sa, Saraswati. Okay, Saraswati. For that we have to use sa. The next one is ha. We can write it as like this, or we can write puts or. Nowadays we are writing like this. Okay, nowadays we are writing like this. This is also correct. Okay, this is ha. Sa, 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 ha. Okay, this is ya, ra, la, va. Sa, sha, sa, ha. Here also we can end the Vyanjans, but we are having the conjuncts. Okay, conjuncts. See, conjuncts. Iksha, iksha, iksha. The next one is tra. These letters are conjuncts. Tra, igna, nya, stra, stra. See, iksha. Iksha means we are using these letters like Lakshmi. Okay, Lakshmi. For that we have to use this. This one is tra. Yandran. Okay, Yandran we are having tra, tra. This is nya, nyan. Okay, nyan means knowledge. Okay, nyan means knowledge. This letter is sra means we use for Srinivasan, Srimadi. Okay, Sri. For that we have to use this letter, sra. Okay, the last 3 lines is ya, ra, la, va. Then sa, sha, sa, ha. Ha is, we can write these 2 types. We can choose any one. Okay, iksha, tra, inya, sra. Okay, now we can conclude the Vyanjan. For that we have to learn it clearly. Okay, we have to learn it clearly and speak loudly. We have to speak like pronounce it. Okay, we are having some difficulties in Vyanjans. Okay, some difficulties in some cooperation. That is, see, we can write ka. We can write ka like this. Okay, these type of ka. Then see here, pa. See. Okay, this is pa. Okay, some similar concept in this. This is ka, this is pa. Then the next letter is va. Va. See, here we can simply write D, but for ba we can write D and put a dash here. Okay, this is va, this is ba. Okay, we have to find the difference. We have to find the difference in these letters. This is va and this is ba. The next one is da. Da. See, for that da. Okay, here da. Simple. Same. See here. And the T also. Ta. Okay, this is ta, da, this is da. Okay, seeing this, these letters so similar, but some little difference in this. See, this is ta. Ta, we do not fold this. Okay, we do not fold this. Here we are folding the letters. It becomes da. Okay, it becomes da, and this one is da. Then the next letter is pa. See, pa. See, pa. Okay, then sha. For that sha, like this we have to write, and we have to put a cross mark here. We have to put a cross mark here. Okay, this is pa and this is sha. Okay, these are the difference. Then next is ba. Okay, ba. For that ba, we have to give a space here. But for ma, we cannot give any space. These are the difference. This is ba and this is ma. Okay, this is ma. Ba, ma. Ka, va, ta, pa, ba. The difference we have to know. Then only, okay, then only we can easily write and learn. Okay, then only we can easily write and learn. Okay, now we can see the combination of vowels and consonants. Let us see. Okay.